Who designed the current national flag of India? Which is the national flower of India? Which is the national bird of India? Which is the national tree of India? Which is the national animal of India? Who composed our national anthem? Which is the national river of India? Which is the national heritage animal of India? Which is the national vegetable of India? Which is the national calendar of India? Which is the national reptile of India? Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Which is the national fruit of India? What is the color of Ashoka chakra on national flag? What is the mean of white color used in the national flag? Which is the first month of the Indian national calendar? Which is the India's national song? How many colors are there in our Indian national flag, Tiranga? What is the national anthem of India? When was the rupee symbol, rupee, adopted in India?